Hello my friends, how are you doing? This is Nesto. Thank you for joining me on another video. This time I want to show you this bag that I showed you on my previous video, but today we're gonna go ahead and open. I'm gonna show you what's inside of this bag. Also, I wanted to give you a peek to the giveaway box that I am putting together, and also want to give you a peek to two customs that I'm working on. One will be given away, and those are the two bodies, the inner parts of the castings that I'm working on. And let's get started with the little baggie. ¿Qué tal amigos? ¿Cómo están? Soy Ernesto. Soy Nesto. Hoy quiero compartir con ustedes este paquete que me trajeron mis papás desde México. También tengo un par de customs que estoy trabajando. Uno se los voy a regalar y también les voy a enseñar rápidamente la caja que les voy a regalar. Estoy todavía añadiéndole cosas, pero vamos a empezar aquí. So first of all, you know what this is, right? Probably not. This is a trompo. This is a top. You normally get a rope tied all around here, and these things spin. These are so fun. I love playing with them so much. ¿Recuerdan los trompos? Me los trajeron mis papás de México. Yo solía jugar con estos hace como 20 años. That's crazy. Hace 20 años. This está chido. This one's pretty nice. What you guys think? It's a nice little truck. Check this one out. All these are old pieces. Todos estos son carritos viejitos con los que yo jugaba. No son muy especiales, no son caros, pero tienen un lugar en mi corazón. Diecast. I don't even know how that made it. A little police van. This was pretty dope. A little army jeep. Un jeep del army. También está chido. Ahí está. Disculpen si no los podían ver. Un Corvette. Un trailer. A little trailer. Red trailer. I'm just randomly grabbing them. And as you can see, none of these are Hot Wheels. Or maybe a couple. Like this one. I know this one is. This possibly is too. But yeah, most of them are not Hot Wheels because I couldn't afford them. Back in Mexico, you know, we could afford what we could afford, and Hot Wheels were quite pricey. I had a few when I was a kid, when I was really young, but I lost them, and I was really angry. These are pretty cool, man. That one's nice. An oldie. Otro trailer, another trailer looking thing to haul stuff. Another oldie. This one says safety. tengo otro trompo. Here's another trompo. Another top. Cosmic Star. This one was badass. As you can see, this one went through a lot. This one, it's broken. Right here. Huh. The Lion King little doll that I used to play with too. Esta figurita del Rey León con la que jugaba también. Qué chistoso. Un par de canicas. A few little marbles right here. These are awesome. Okay, and last but not least, we have a couple of Hot Wheels. Here's one. Al final tenemos un par de Hot Wheels. Este es uno que, si se dan cuenta, lo pinté. Okay, I'm gonna point this out. These cars right here, well, excluding this one. Let's start with this. This one is really dope. I remember this car. I was so proud of it. It was one of my nicer looking cars, or nicer feeling cars, because it was all metal. It felt really sturdy. It could handle anything. See? It's a tank. So awesome. Recuerdo mucho este carrito, que era todo de metal, muy resistente. Sobrevivía todo. Véanlo. Genial. Genial. So yes, as I was mentioning, these cars right here, I'm gonna show you all at the same time. There's 3 of them. Here's another one. This looks like a 240Z or a 280Z Datsun, you know, from an old cheap casting. And this one. What can you tell me about these 3 castings? ¿Qué pueden notar ustedes en estos 3 carritos? Can you tell me? Can you notice? Can you figure it out? Well, I completely forgot about these cars, but it appears to be these are my very first customs. Parece que estos 3 carritos son mis 3 primeros customs. Los 3 primeros carros que yo intenté modificar hace más de 20 años. Recuerdo muy bien usar el esmalte de uñas de mi mamá para pintar estos. Este también tiene esmalte de uñas. Y traté de poner un diseño de 3 puntos aquí arriba. Qué chistoso. So as you can see right here, this is nail polish that I used. My mom used to have some, well, she still does, right? But I used to take her nail polish and play with it. I used to put it on my tops, on my trompos, and then I think I actually started putting it on my Hot Wheels and then my trompos. But this right here, this is like the earliest custom that I've ever made. That is insane. The dye costume, and this one I just put some clear nail polish that had glitter on it and called it a day. What you guys think? That's insane. And I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of this, because I'm not gonna be able to show you all of these, but these are awesome. These are like crazy old cards from Pepsi. Back in the day, I used to collect this. Hace mucho tiempo, yo solía coleccionar estas. ¿Sí las recuerdan, verdad? Las Pepsi cards. ¿Qué tal? You see? The Avengers, my friends. These are the Avengers from back in the day. Yeah, buddy. Captain America, Thor, Iron Man, the Hulk, the Wasp, Ant-Man. That is insane. That's crazy. Some old stuff right here. Qué chido. Esos son los Vengadores de hace mucho tiempo. Vengadores Unidos. Aquí dice, el dios del mal, Loki, quiso acabar con Thor, su medio hermano, para lograr esto utilizó a Hulk, pero sorpresivamente lo único que logró fue atraer otros superhéroes. Qué padre. Pero en fin, estas tarjetitas que pueden ver aquí, ven, Iron Man is born. What? These are old school, buddy. Old school stuff, man. These are vintage cards. That's insane. And I used to have a lot more. ¿Se recuerdan todas estas, amigos? De hace 20 años. Esta era mi favorita. Yo estaba enamorado de Titania. That's some crazy stuff. Thanos versus the Avengers. What? Anyway, I could go on forever with this shit. Disculpen, amigos. Podría enseñarles estas en todo un video, porque están muy padres. Déjenme saber si les interesaría. Se las puedo mostrar. Anyway, I'm gonna put this away. Espero que les haya gustado todos mis... Bueno, no todos. Una parte de mis juguetes con los que yo solía jugar. Mis primeros costumes. Aquí los tienen. Y este es mi último costume en el que estoy trabajando. No está finalizado, pero en eso estoy. This is my last costume that I'm working on. The latest. It's not finalized. I still have to fix the axles to make it roll. Gotta tap it. I mean, it rolls somewhat, but not completely. Pero en eso estoy trabajando. Y estos son, and this one's right here. That you see here. Yeah, buddy. That one and this one. These two this truck and this wagon I'm working on to give you guys away. I'm gonna give you one of them. You will choose which one you want. But yes, what do you guys think? Estos dos que les acabo de enseñar, este y el wagon, son los que en los que estoy trabajando para regalárselos en el giveaway. ¿Qué opinan, amigos? Este va a quedar perrón. Vamos a poner una comparación. Increíble. Here's a comparison. More than 20 years ago. Today. Wow. Thank you very much, my friends. This is Nesto, and I hope you guys liked it. Muchas gracias, amigos. Soy Nesto y espero que no los haya aburrido. Hasta la próxima, compañeros. Oh, yeah. And before I forget, right here, that's your giveaway box. I'm adding stuff to it. Esa es la caja que les voy a regalar. Estoy agregándole cosas aún. Hasta la próxima. Peace out. Peace.